Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Dusk 12-day advent calendar. I'm so excited about this one. I love Dusk candles and I don't think I've ever done an advent calendar from them before, so I'm very excited. I did accidentally rip a door off. I don't know how I managed to do that, but we're just going to ignore that and not look at that yet. I think it was day number 2, so anyway. Okay, let's go day number 1. I'm kind of confused, I'm not going to lie. I'll show you why. Oh god, these candles are really hard to get out. Anyway, day number 1 is here and it's gingerbread cookies. Oh, that smells so yum. How sweet. So these are 35-gram candles. It smells so good. I'm going to zoom you in a bit so you can see it. The packaging is like pretty plain, but I feel like it's really sweet. Just says what it is, and I feel like this one's a really nice colour. But I am confused because on here it says coconut macaroons mini blend soy candle, like on the little thing, so I'm kind of like, is that a mistake or what? But anyway, day 2 is this one here, the one that I accidentally already ripped off. This is day 2 and it's Earl Grey, which I think is tea, isn't it? That's how it looks there. It's like this purple colour. Pretty, I don't think it's focusing. That actually smells really, really nice. I thought it wouldn't smell very nice. Earl Grey and cucumber. I really like it. I didn't think I would, but that one smells really nice, so. Day 3 is this one up here. Oh my god, because the candle's there, I can't like press the thing in. I feel like this calendar, like, Dusk, I love you, but I feel like I don't think like the little holes are lining up properly with like the packaging, so it's kind of like I'm having a little trouble with it. I don't know how I managed to rip off a door either, but anyway. Yeah guys, I'm really confused because like when you flip the things up, it's got different candles than the ones that are actually in here. Like, I don't know if that's like an error. Anyway, that's fine. Day 3 is evergreen, fresh evergreens. I didn't think I'd like this one. It smells like very like pine scented. It's a shame because I absolutely adore the colour of this glass. I think that's stunning. But yeah, I'm not super into pine. It smells nice, like it's not super strong. I've had some pine candles that are so strong that I can't hack them at all, but this one's like a little bit, it's like pine but also like a little bit sweet. I'll still probably pass on it though because I have so many candles and I don't need ones that I'm not 100% on. So on to day 4. Okay, yeah, I feel like it's just designed a bit weird. Like, so you're meant to push this thing in obviously, but I can't push it in because like the candle's there, so it's like hard to open. Anyway, this one is, and they're also a little bit hard to get out, but in saying that, like I don't mind I guess too much because at least I know they're in there securely. Like I know that they're not going to fall out of the calendar in like shipping and stuff and get broken, so I guess like, yeah. This one is sugar. Okay, I feel like things are like I'm so confused as to what's going on. On the front it says candy canes, on the bottom it says sugar cookies, and then inside here it says green tea with jasmine, so I think it is candy cane though. Doesn't smell like sugar cookies. Whatever it is, it smells nice. But that's how that one looks there. I won't lie, like I know it's not that big of a deal, but I feel like advent calendars are typically like a fair bit of money. I think this one was 80 or something like that. I don't know, I need to figure out how much it was. But I just feel like, you know, I feel like the packaging and stuff should at least be right. Like it seems a bit rushed or a bit like careless and I don't really like that. But anyway, this candle smells nice. I don't know. It honestly doesn't smell like candy canes or sugar cookies, to be honest. I'm starting to wonder if they've been put like in the wrong. No, that definitely smells like gingerbread. I don't know. Anyway, let's just keep going. Day 5. This is black tea, but it says rose tea with mandarin. Or although, is that like the scent? Coconut macaroons. Girl, I just don't understand. I'm so confused. It says 5 is black tea and apple. On the little thing it says rose tea with mandarin, and I feel like it smells more like that, but anyway, I don't know. So that's how that one looks there. On to day 6. Earl Grey. No, see, this one here says Earl Grey with cucumber, which is one that we already have got. And this one says Fruit Market, which up here this one says Fruit Market. So I feel like it's been put in wrong or something. I don't understand. I'm so confused, guys. Anyway, day 6 is... oh no, this says Flower Market. Girl, what is even going on right now? Anyway, that smells nice. Very like floral, but also a little bit sweet. Which is nice. Day 7. Apparently day 7 is raspberry shortcake. Which sounds nice. Yeah, that smells really nice. Not very like, it's not super raspberry shortcakey, but it's still nice. Anyway, that's how it looks there. Love that. Day 8 says green tea. And I swear that we had one in here that was like green tea, did we? Green tea with jasmine is on another one, yeah. Green tea and jasmine. That smells really, really nice actually. I really like that. That might be a fave of the calendar. Yum. That reminds me of like old school Lush, like, I don't know. But yeah, it reminds me of like old school Lush bath bombs. Okay, on to day 9. Yeah, so this one here says raspberry shortcake. Girl, what? Anyway, day 9 is Sweet Shop. Oh, that one's so good. That's definitely my favourite. Yum. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it smells absolutely incredible. I don't even know how to describe it. Okay, day 10. So, day 10 is coconut macarons. And it says it's gingerbread cookies. Anyway, yum. That's really, really, really nice. Very like coconutty, but also very sweet. Love that. Day 11, our second last day, is rose tea. That's really nice. Very rosy. Rose tea and mandarin. Super fresh. Love that. Super like fresh and floral. And then day 12, our last day, is Fruit Market. It says fresh evergreens. We never got a sugar cookies one. That smells really good. Fruit Market, yum. That smells so good. What's that there? Okay. So it says that box contains 12 soy blend candles with following fragrances: gingerbread cookie, LT, fresh evergreen, sugar cookies. So number 4 is meant to be sugar cookies, but it says candy cane, and I don't think it smells like sugar cookies. Anyway, sugar cookies, black tea, Flower Market, raspberry shortcake, sweet green tea, Sweet Shop, coconut macarons, rose tea, and Fruit Market. So the actual candles themselves, I have no problems with. I think they all smell amazing. I love, you know, that you get 12 different ones, and I think they've chosen a really nice variety of scents. Like the candles themselves, love. I have a thing with this packaging though. One, I think it's just really poor that, like, it's all wrong and none of it matches, because like I said, I feel like we spend a lot of money on these advent calendars and it just seems like a little bit rushed and like a piss poor effort, if I'm being honest. I don't know, I don't love that. I feel like, yeah, it seems like they haven't put a whole lot of effort into it, so I don't know, like I just feel like that's annoying. I feel like the packaging wasn't very well thought out because you couldn't, like, you know, not like these little things didn't work properly. That's me just being picky. I probably wouldn't have cared about that as much if the rest of the packaging wasn't so terrible. And yeah, I feel like it's weird that we've got like a random candy cane candle and it's like mislabeled and stuff. So I don't know what's going on. Let's have a look on the website. Okay, so it's $80. So like it's a good price. Like it's not too bad, you know, for like mini candles and stuff. But I just think... See, and then on the website it says that it has a candy cane candle. So obviously they've changed the scent but haven't changed it on the packaging and stuff, and I just feel like it's a bit like... It seems like they were like, oh, let's just do this, but like, you know, no one's gonna know. I just don't think that's... Yeah, I don't know. It just leaves a little bit of a bad taste in my mouth because I think that, you know... I don't know. I know it's not the most expensive calendar and things like that, but I do think that we are spending our hard-earned money on these, and that the packaging should at least... Yeah. I don't know. It's about an experience, and I feel like I didn't really get that with this. In saying that, I love the candles, so let me know down below what you think of this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.